Baby ka.
Mura siya na-shock mo ako nga ka na 600 kay mura 550 naman tamong nasultan ba? Just give me 600. Ah, wala na money. Guys, so guys, can you we'll go there guys? Come here guys, after the iPhone.
I know it's your birthday today, but di tayo nga nakrapo.
Oo. Cute kayo lang Christmas tree. Ay nak, sabo? Wala itangtang yung bugkos mo. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. So today it is Saturday guys and we're currently in Chadstone Shopping Center guys. Yes, and it is currently 11 o'clock in the morning. So tomorrow is my birthday. So I'm turning a year older tomorrow, and I decided to actually get something for myself, but now I don't have a lot. So what I've done, like, because my phone now guys is I'm currently using the iPhone 7 Plus in gold color, and well, it's now broken guys. The screen is broken. It's working perfectly. There's no problem with it. It's just that, you know, the screen is broken and I would like to upgrade. Although I don't want to pay so much for a phone now. Like for me, it's just a phone. If it, you know, takes photo or takes video, send messages and all that, that is totally fine with me. So what I've done guys, instead of getting like a brand new one, I went to like a Facebook marketplace and, you know, search. There's a lot, like seriously hundreds of phones for sale guys, but obviously you have to make sure that it's working perfectly and it's not too old, you know what I mean? Like there's lots of cheaper one which is, you know, the iPhone 6 Plus, but I'm using the iPhone 7 Plus now guys, so I don't really want to downgrade. So I was thinking maybe the next one is iPhone 8 Plus, and I'm not really I don't know, I'm not in the position to actually get like the newest one, you know, the iPhone 11. Like seriously, I just don't have the money for that one guys, but maybe I do. I'm not convinced to actually to pay that much for a new phone guys. So yeah, so I went to Facebook marketplace. So I've got Paris running around. Hi Tita. So I went to the Facebook marketplace guys, and then I found this iPhone 8 Plus guys. It's 256 gigabytes, so that's double the gigabyte that I have currently. So, you know, I'm happy with that. I've been talking to the lady. She's selling it for 600 Australian dollars guys, and I think that's a good deal because the phone is less than a year old and there's no scratches or anything guys. It's, you know, it's still brand new. Like, well, not brand new because she's used it, but you know, like it looks new and everything. So, you know, battery and all still, you know, works fine. So that's why we're here guys, because she lives far away. So she lives in Rosebud, which is like an hour-and-a-half drive from our place. So I asked her if it's okay to meet halfway, which she agreed, so I'm very grateful for that. Yeah, so it only took 40 minutes for us, so maybe that's, you know, 40 minutes for her. So our meeting point is the Chadstone Shopping Center, and she'll be here very soon guys, so I can't wait. Yeah, so I'll see you soon guys. If only I've got money guys, I'll be going there. And there as well, because there you can get the brand new Apple iPhone 11, whatever it is. This place is always busy, huh?
Let's have a look first.
Yeah, we can go and have a look. But yeah, see here guys, all the brands are here. We're just gonna go. Well, I told her that we can meet up near Tiffany, or outside Tiffany and Co guys, so it will just be down there. Yeah, but we're just gonna go have a look first. Huh? What's that? 8 Plus. Oh yeah. So this is the 8 plus, guys. So this is what I am picking up right now. So it is like, seriously, guys,
Very
it
similar
look
to yours.
Very similar to the iPhone 7 Plus, isn't it, honey?
What's the difference? The
I think
back.
like the glass, yeah.
Dali na kayo ni mabuak. Imo ginagawa
Yeah.
na.
But that's about it, guys. Like, it's, you know, take a photo, honey. It's so dark. Okay, guys, we're just waiting for the lady to arrive. Paris wants an ice cream. What would you like, honey? What would you like? She wants an ice cream, guys.
What would you like? Ice pizza.
But yeah, guys, so this phone now, the broken phone, it can be fixed easily, guys. So it's just the screen. Ooh, ice. Okay, we're gonna go get ice after. Okay. So I think like you can get the screen fixed for, was that $90, Ma?
Yeah.
Yeah, so $90. Yeah, I have to think about it, guys. I might give it. I'm gonna keep the phone.
Andiyan, bangon na bangon sa'yo ka. Di na kailog si kuya. Kaya naiyak.
So yeah, Mike just had a new phone too, guys. But yeah, I don't know. I might just keep the phone.
Ja! Ako na excited na ako sa 7 Plus, guys.
Ice, baby. So like, I was very tempted to get the iPhone 11 Pro Max, guys, but I don't know. I just get, it's too expensive, you know? You know what I mean? Like, it's just expensive for a phone. And
Ay, di ba siya nga nasa una, guys?
yeah, I know, it's a different story now, guys. You know, you really change when you know, when you have a baby and that. When I was single, guys, phone was everything for me. Like, it has to be brand new, it has to be the latest one and all, and you know, I don't care how much. But now, guys, you know, I've got lots of things to consider now, so it's adulting and motherhood. So yeah, that's fine. I'm okay with iPhone 8 Plus, guys, and if it's working perfectly, then you know, it's not a problem. So the Tiffany & Co. she's there, guys. Wow, I'm full na.
Outfit ninyo ni Paris.
Actually, thank you.
Baby ka.
Mura siya na-shock ma kung nga ka na 600 kay mura 550 naman tamong nasultan, right? Just give you 600. I have a lot of money. Guys, so guys, we'll go there, guys. Come here, guys, after the iPhone.
I know it's your birthday today, but di tayo nga nakrapo.
Oo. Cute kayo lang Christmas tree. Ay, nak, sabo. Wala, itangtang niya yung bugkos, ma. So hi guys, we're back in the car. It's now 12:17 in the afternoon, guys. Oh, you're not gonna believe what happened, guys. So we're supposed to leave here by, I don't know, just before 12, and you know what happened, guys? We lost our car keys, and we spent maybe more than half an hour looking for the keys, guys. And I was so stressed because if we lost it, like seriously, how are we gonna go home? What we're gonna do with this car here? And also our parking is only for 1 hour and a half, guys. So they might tow my car if we don't get back in time. Anyways, guys, we went to the freaking concierge and nothing was, you know, handed over there. So we decided to go back to places where we went. And then we realized that we went to Apple shop, so we went there, and yeah, luckily, guys, the security actually found it and then kept it, and yeah, we got the keys back. Obviously, that's why we're in the car now. So we're gonna drive to Williamstown now, guys, because we're going to have lunch with Paris's Lola. And we're going to, instead of picking up daddy from home, guys. Then we're going to meet up in Williamstown now. So yeah, guys, we are now driving to Williamstown, and we'll just see you all there. Bye for now. So we are now home. It is currently 5 in the afternoon, guys. So after Charleston Shopping Center, we drove to Williamstown Beach. So we had lunch with Mike's mom, and then we just had pizza and pasta, because we went to an Italian restaurant. And then we're now home, guys, and I'd like to show you the phone that I just bought. So it came with this box here, and so the phone, guys, is, I don't know if that will, yep, so the phone is 256 gigabyte. As mentioned before, guys, it's not brand new. It's a new to me phone, because it's been used for 8 months, and yeah, so it's not new. However, it still looks brand new. So the lady that sold it to me included these cases. So this one clear case, and then 2 Mimco phone cases. So it's so cute. It's very nice for her to actually include it. Although I think she is upgrading, guys, so maybe the next phone won't fit in these cases. So that's why she just gave it to me. But here's the phone, guys. So that's what it looks like. So I haven't installed it yet. Like, I mean, I haven't done the transferring and all that as yet from my old phone. So this is my current phone, guys. It is the iPhone 7 Plus, and as you can see, it's got cracked screen now, because dropped it a few times now. And also, like, when I give it to Paris for her to watch YouTube, like, she just throw it away, and also that's why but yeah, other than that, the phone is still good. It's just got a broken thing. So this one, I don't know if I feel generous, guys, I might give it to my sister. So yeah, she can have it. We can get the screen fixed, guys, because I think it's gonna, I don't know, cost maybe
90.
what? Yeah, just around $100 to fix the screen, guys. So she can have this phone, because she always get my old ones, guys. So before this, I had the iPhone 6 Plus.
6 Plus?
Yeah, and then when I bought this, I sent it to her in the Philippines, and then that one broke, and then now that I've got another one, so she can have. But yeah, I will. So this is the phone, guys. See, as you can see, it still looks very new, like not even one scratch, guys. So that's why I didn't hesitate to buy it, guys, because I know it's secondhand, but then it's still under warranty, because obviously warranty for this phone, so like, I don't know, is it 1 year? And then it's still 8 months old, so I can definitely use that. But yeah, that's about it. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to transfer all the data from my current phone to this phone, so then I can start using this, and then I'm just gonna go buy a new screen protector so it doesn't scratch easily, and that's it, guys. I think it's a great deal for $600. I think I'm very happy with this, and yeah, so that's it. That's what we're gonna do. So what do you think about,
Nagagamoy na. 7S. 7 Plus.
Yeah.
Thank you.
But yeah, so that's about it, guys. It's been a long day. We're just gonna stay home now and relax, and tomorrow is my big day, guys. I'm turning 18. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and also please subscribe to our channel, guys. I'd really appreciate if you do. And then yeah, I hope to see you all guys in the next one.
Nagawin mo kong wipes.
And don't forget to be good. If you can't, be careful. Bye.
Okay,